You've committed a crime, served time, and now want to live a clean life. There's just one problem: getting a job. WDRB's Conroy DeLuce shows us how volunteers are working to help people earn a second chance.
The owner of Sis Got Tea says she's all about making people feel comfortable in who they are inside her business. Well, for some, there's nothing more uncomfortable than filling out a job application and having to check a certain box.
Anxiety and depression.
That's how Savvy Shabazz, who spent time in prison, describes seeing the question, have you been convicted of a crime?
You can almost see the person's reaction.
One way past that barrier is expungement.
I personally think it's, my civic duty to be able to help these people move on.
Alexis Kamek is a second-year law student at U of L.
It's not just younger people or kind of middle-aged people who've had these, it's some older people as well.
The application for expungement is hard to navigate, and an attorney with the Kentucky Innocence Project says the process can take months.
Because expungement itself can be inaccessible, and if I have the ability to break down a barrier, I'm going to do it.
Ariel Clark owns Sis Got Tea, which she describes as a safe space.
We are very out and proud about being Black-owned, LGBTQ-owned, woman-owned, and disability-owned. It's not about just serving the folks who look like me, who share my identities. It's also the folks who have marginalized identities that I may not necessarily hold.
Every table inside was full, but no one felt comfortable sharing their name, a feeling Shabazz understands, now working with people on re-entry after prison.
You've finally gotten here, you got your foot in the door to at least be interviewed.
Some feeling weighed down by history.
How much having a criminal record affects how you move through this world and in this city.
But now on the path toward employment. With photojournalist Ebony Petty's Conroy DeLuce, WDRB News.